This video is meant to be an orientation and familiarization of the Jekko product. This is by no means a training or certification video. Prior to all unit operation, please be sure to secure all safety gear including hard hat, eye protection, safety vest, and gloves. To begin, set up the crane with the outriggers at 47 degrees and fully extended. If desired, for easier jib access, rotate the crane 90 degrees. The A to B assembly can be removed from the boom tip. Remove the pulley head from the boom tip and secure on the side of boom. Release the red-handled latch on both sides of the jib carrier. This will allow you to pull out the jib trolley to its full extension. Access the LMI screen on the remote. Change the LMI configuration to hook mode and no jib on board and confirm. This will allow the boom to lower below 0 degrees for jib installation. Lower the fully retracted boom until hooks line up with jib mounting point. Ensure all cables and hoses are free and clear from all moving and connecting components. Ensure the jib is centered on the boom tip. Extend the boom until the tip hooks latch with jib mounting points. Locate the hydraulic activation hoses halfway down the boom and pull hoses through all 4 guides. Ensure all hoses are passing inside the guides. Connect jib hoses to hydraulic activation hoses. Ensure that hoses are connected as marked. Plug the jib electrical harness to the tool connector on the boom tip. Once the plug is connected, the crane will recognize the jib as installed. Your remote will automatically display the LMI page now showing the jib installed. You will hear an audible alarm until the LMI is confirmed. Remove the 2 pins from the boom tip and rotate the jib mounting bracket up towards the boom tip. Pins must be reinstalled in the same direction they were removed. Install both pins fully, including the pin safety clips. If holes do not align, adjust boom position until holes are in alignment. Pull jib tip holding pin. The operator is now able to lift the main boom to raise the jib out of the carrier. Once the boom has been raised enough for the jib to clear the carrier, slide the carrier back to the stowed position and lock in place. Continue to raise or extend the boom to allow jib to unfold. To operate the jib, the 4th and 5th levers will be used. The 4th lever will operate jib articulation. The 5th lever will activate jib in and out. These functions can be ran at the same time. If operating jib in hook mode, locate the hook attachment from the right-hand side of the boom and install on the jib tip using the storage pin. The hook attachment can be installed in either direction. If using the winch with the jib, locate the pulley head from the left-hand side of the boom and install on the jib tip using the storage pin. Locate the A to B assembly and install on the jib tip, ensuring the washer is placed between locking pin and plate. Pull the A to B harness into holder on the jib tip. Before pulling out winch rope, remove the 3 derailment pins. At this point, the LMI configuration must be changed to winch mode. Use the part of line selector to go from hook to 1 part line. Press check button to confirm. The winch icon is now shown on the far right side of the remote. Using the rightmost lever, extend the rope to the jib tip while maintaining rope tension. Route the winch cable between the 2 rollers located on the main boom. The cable will pass through the pulley located at the jib coupling bracket. Lastly, the cable will run on top of the jib tip pulley. Reinstall the top derailment pin, ensuring the cable lies properly between the pulley and pin. Connect the winch eyelet to the headache ball and install the A to B weight back on the rope. In order to maintain tension on the lifting cable, raise the boom until headache ball is off the ground. Once cable has tension, you may use the winch. Install upper pin or pulley follower. Ensure cable is between both rollers. The follower must be free to rotate. Do not reinstall the storage pin. In winch mode, the jib must stay between a maximum angle of -80 and 75 degrees. With this working range, the jib angle will be limited to a minimum of 3 degrees below the main boom. To uninstall the jib, remove all attachments, A to B assembly, and winch cables. Ensure the jib is fully retracted and completely folded under the main boom. Pull the jib carrier to its outmost position. Position the jib tip stowing hole with the main boom by booming down and/or extending as needed. Align the green roller with the stowing slot on the carrier and slowly lower the main boom until mounting pins are free to rotate. Reinsert jib stowing pin. Remove jib mounting pins and return them back to their positions. Disconnect hydraulic activation. Stow hydraulic hoses on metal ring. Return hydraulic activation hoses to rest position. Disconnect tool circuit plug. At this time, you will need to reconfigure the LMI screen on the remote. Press the check button to confirm that you are back in main boom working mode. Retract main boom, separating boom tip and jib assembly. Manually hold jib in place if it slides with boom retraction. Boom up once mounting hooks have been cleared and push carrier back into place. Reinstall tool circuit harness back into stowing position. Lock carrier in place on both sides.